Lobster. All the advantages of lobster and the best ways to prepare it for a meal. Lobster is a great source of high-quality protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body. High in vitamins and minerals. Lobster contains various essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B12, vitamin E, magnesium, zinc, and potassium. Omega-3 fatty acids. Lobster is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been associated with numerous health benefits, including reduced inflammation and improved heart health. Lobster is rich in selenium, a trace mineral that acts as an antioxidant and plays a crucial role in supporting the immune system and protecting against oxidative stress. Now,